In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use users and cohorts in Mixpanel. We'll walk through the users view, filters, cohorts, exporting data, and how to add or update user properties, including bulk updates from a CSV. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and why each step matters. First, head to Mixpanel and open your project. From the main navigation, click Data, then select Users. This is where you can explore your user base, see individual profiles and segment people based on their behavior and attributes. At the top of the user's view, open the filter panel. This is your control center for narrowing down the list. You'll see options to show all users, filter by user properties, or focus on users who did a specific event within a chosen time frame. You can also filter by cohorts, which are saved groups of users that match certain conditions. Cohorts are powerful because they stay up to date as users enter or leave the criteria, making your analysis and targeting much more reliable. As you experiment with filters, keep your question in mind, like identifying recently active users or those who engaged with a key feature. When you've got the exact group you need, you can export the list. Click Export to download the current filtered users. Use this carefully and only when you truly need it, and make sure you follow your organization's data privacy practices. If you want to update details on a single user, open their profile and click Add Edit Profile. In the editor, type the property name you want to set or update, such as a plan type or lifecycle stage. Then enter the value for that property. When it looks good, click Add Property to queue the change, and then Update Profile to save it. Clear, consistent naming for properties will save you headaches later when building reports and cohorts. For larger updates across many users, use Import from CSV. This lets you update user properties in bulk. Click Import from CSV, then Upload CSV file. Your file should include a reliable identifier for each user, plus the properties you want to set. Before you upload, double-check your headers and values for typos or unintended formats so you don't overwrite good data. Once uploaded, Mixpanel will process the updates and apply them to the matching profiles. That's the flow. Navigate to users, filter or select cohorts to segment, export when needed, edit individual profiles for quick changes, and use CSV imports for bulk updates. Follow these steps and you'll manage users and cohorts in Mixpanel with confidence.